Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Pegasus Lounge. So today I want to do another fun episode, and we're going to be looking at a little bit of political comedy. If anything, this is very risky for me, okay? But I think what we're about to watch is actually going to be good, wholesome fun, and it shouldn't matter if you're on the left or the right. This thing is really cute and really funny, okay? And if anything, you should never let politics ruin your day. You know why? Because politics goes on forever. So if you're gonna get triggered at political things, you're gonna be mad for a really, really long time. So look, if this bothers you, you have more of a maturity issue than anything else, okay? So without further ado, this is today's content, and let's watch along together.
Hey, hiring sign, you're fired. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm running it.
So you want to work here at McDonald's?
Don't get it twisted, Kamala. I don't want the job. The job wants me. Ronald called me himself, begging, very emotional, almost crying. Clowns don't cry often, by the way. Very stoic people. Pagliacci, great opera, sad clown, tremendous voice. But Ronald, tears. He said, Mr. Trump, I need you in one of my franchises.
What are your qualifications?
Same as yours for president, 0. But I love McDonald's. The Golden Arches, they call it. Very few people know that. Big Mac, beautiful sandwich. Apple pies, a little too hot sometimes. We'll look into that. Filet-O-Fish, very underrated. Remember Filet-O-Fish Fridays? We're bringing that back. Make Fridays Filet-O-Fish again.
Why is it gotta say it like that?
One thing you need to know is you don't just fall out of a coconut tree into this job. When you work at McDonald's, you exist in the context of all in which you live and what came before you, which is hunger. But what can be unburdened by what has been is being full.
Kamala, wrap it up. I need an Egg McMuffin before I evolve into a different species listening to you. Egg McMuffin's breakfast of champions. Muhammad Ali told me that once. We had breakfast at a rest stop in Newark. He said, champ. He called me champ. These McMuffins are almost as good as your Trump steaks. I said, almost, Ali, almost.
Okay. You're hired, but I'm the manager. I'm in charge. You report to me.
Wait. Why are you working at McDonald's? You were vice president. You ran for president. You had a $1 billion campaign. What happened?
Well,
P.S. You're fired.
what? I just hired you.
The drive-through guy has firing power. People don't know that.
What?
Very important power. McDonald's 101. You read the manual if you can read, and it's right there. Very clear. Very legal.
Says who?
Ray Kroc, the founder, played by the great Michael Keaton in that movie. Fantastic performance. Old friend of mine. I convinced him to do Beetlejuice, responsible for his whole career, if you think about it. Anyway, Ray Kroc said drive-through employees can
He's
fire
taking credit for
managers.
everything.
It's in the charter. Look it up.
That's not...
You're fired, Kamala. Also, I'm promoting myself to manager, effective immediately. The people are waiting. Welcome to McDonald's. This is President and new manager, Donald J. Trump. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Come on, man. Is this a joke?
Oh, he's got the Corvette.
Hello. Does this robot sense humans or heat or hair plugs?
It senses intelligence, Joe. You're invisible.
Jill, he says I'm invisible. Am I invisible?
Jill's not in the car, Joe.
Dr. Jill?
Right? Doctor. We must call her doctor. She has a PhD in education. What's she going to do? Perform open heart surgery on a history textbook?
Can I get, here's the deal. Right. Can I get a licky tower?
I'm not even sure what he's ordering. I don't think he knows what he's ordering either, quite frankly.
That. I want that.
Oh, ice cream? You want ice cream, Joe? I have bad news, terrible news. The worst news. I hate being the bearer of bad news. But someone has to tell you, the ice cream machine is broken, unfortunately.
Ice cream
What?
machine's always
I can see you
broken.
eating ice cream right now.
This is from Burger King, Joe. I had to go to the competition. Very embarrassing. Machine's been broken for years. You ruined it. You, Obama, and Hunter who probably sold the parts to Ukraine for 10 million. The big guy gets 10% of the sprinkles. That's you, Sleepy Joe. Except there are no sprinkles because the machine's broken. So you get 10% of nothing. Story of your presidency.
Come on, man. That's not fair.
We used to make the best ice cream machines. Then you threw it all away, like how Kamala threw away $1 billion on Beyonce, who didn't sing, which I preferred, by the way. Look, Joe, you're holding up the line. Mayor McCheese is behind you, handing out free smiles, very generous burger. Pull around, go home, take your nap.
But I just wanted...
Give Corn Pop my best. Here are some free crayons for Hunter's next masterpiece.
Cut up Corn Pop. Oh. There's more?
I'd like a quarter pounder with cheese, please, and make it snappy. I'm so hungry I could eat the north end of a southbound skunk.
Senator Kennedy, I never know what the hell you're saying, but I love it. You're like if Mark Twain and Foghorn Leghorn had a baby. Mark Twain, not his real name. A lot of people don't know that real name, Samuel Langhorne Clemens. I told him, Sammy, drop the Langhorne. Nobody can pronounce it. Sounds like you're coughing up a ham. Asked me to read the first draft of Huck Finn. Painful. This kid floating on a raft for 300 pages. 300 pages, John. I said, Sammy, put them on a yacht, give them a motor, a jet ski, something, speed it up. He said, that's not the point, Donald. I said, the point is nobody's finishing this book, Sam. It's boring. River, river, more river. Oh, look, another river. He got very upset, threw a quill at me, missed.
He put him in the same
Here's your
timeline
burger,
as
John.
Mark Twain.
Much obliged, Donald. You're busier than a one-legged cat in a sandbox.
This is easy. I'm a natural. Look at this technique. Like holding a tiny tennis racket. John McEnroe, great friend. Beautiful curly hair. Johnny Mac, they called him. Still do, actually. Tremendous temper. 5-second rule. Some say 3. I say 5. At Mar-a-Lago, food can stay on those floors forever. Italian marble. So clean, Dr. Ben Carson offered to do a heart transplant on it. Put some ketchup on it. Nobody knows. That's business.
So many jokes.
You can't, Donald.
Bill's immunity. Kamala. George Washington ate floor food. Abe Lincoln, floor food. That's how they got strong. Also, you're fired again.
Those are for customers.
I am quality control. Which, by the way, if the Democrat Party had quality control, they never would have let you run for president. You couldn't even answer what would you do differently than Joe Biden. Just laughed for 30 seconds. The audience thought it was a glitch. People thought their TVs were broken, like the ending of The Sopranos. But no, just Kamala cackling into the void.
Donald.
What? It's Diet Coke. 0 calories. It's basically water. In fact, some people say it is water. Very good friends in the beverage industry, CEOs, scientists, calling me up. Sir, we believe Diet Coke might actually be water, so we're looking into it very strongly.
That's not how...
Quitting time. Wish I could slide down the back of a dinosaur like Fred Flintstone. Great guy, Fred. Hard worker. Used to see him at the butcher. I'd say, Fred, don't tie those ribs to the roof. You'll flip your car. Never listened. Never wore shoes either. Tough feet. Beautiful wife, Wilma. Loyal, unlike some people. P.S. You're fired again. Give Doug my condolences. He'll understand. Good luck with this place. You'll need it.
That's it? You're just leaving?
Kamala, I came here to work. I worked. I conquered. I fired you 4 times. Mission accomplished.
But...
Also, I took all the Diet Coke. It's in my car. Sue me. McDonald's? Great experience. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Will I? Probably not. I've got a country to run. But when I'm back in office, 2 executive orders. 1, McRib is permanent. No more limited time only. It's not the Loch Ness Monster. It's a sandwich. Stop hiding it. 2, arrest Grimace. What is that thing? A chemical spill? A bruise with arms? Doesn't even work there. Just loiters. Jail. And we're finally investigating the Hamburglar. Years of theft. inside job. Stealing from his own company, RICO charges, permanent McRib, grimace behind bars, hamburglar in court. That's the America we deserve.
Okay, I don't care what anybody says. I really like those clips. Honestly, it's because they made all of them into babies that I actually liked every single character that I saw. Okay, so this one is going to be about Candace. And if it wasn't because of these clips, I had no idea that it was happening this often.
Okay, Candace, let's do a take and just be mindful of the pronunciations. Let's not do anything weird.
I have so many explosive relevations to share with you.
Oh, wait. No, it's revelations. You know what? We can move on.
You got, if you can't compartmentalize,
No, sweetheart, it's compartmentalized. Just take that one more time.
you have to be able to compartmentalize that.
Compartmentalize.
That we have to compartmentalize.
Compartmentalize
how you feel about somebody personally.
Are you doing this on purpose? Is this a bit? Are you trying to get clicks or something?
Can't compartmentalize, but really, it was about the architecture.
Oh, this is the big one. It's architecture.
He just liked the architecture.
Architecture, not architecture.
Loved the architecture.
Architecture.
Yeah, no, like he loved the architecture of things.
You really don't know how these words are pronounced? You speak for a living.
Prince Harry abdicates England, causes this whole race kerfluffle.
Oh, no, it's kerfuffle.
We knew a kerfluffle happened.
Kerfuffle.
Because this dress kerfluffle.
Pronounced kerfuffle. Kerfuffle.
Designed quite literally with the intention to mock me and Tucker Carlson. It's always got to be Tucker Carlson, Candace Owens.
It's Candace Owens. It's Candace. Let's cut here. I'm gonna go take my life.
Okay, so now I'm finally starting to see that, like, okay, she does a lot of her videos in one take, so probably get tripped over the words a little bit. But if I ever start calling myself Mansion instead of Mason because, like, you know, I'm double talking over my words and stuff, oh, I'm gonna uninstall.
Get comfortable, you guys, because it is going to be a long week. I have so many explosive revelations to share with you.
Look at Asmon's face.
A long week. I have so many explosive revelations to share with you.
Revelations, okay. Revelations, all right, got it.
So it was a philosophy class called Senior Sem, and he used to come in every day with a debacle, and he would ask...
Like spackle?
Us to just work through the philosophical question. I remember that whole debacle. This debacle with her earrings. The Hamptons debacle came up. The Brett Kavanaugh hearings and debacle involved in this entire debacle, okay? The FISA debacle.
I thought, why is this 43 seconds long?
His recent non-vote on the FISA debacle, Kanye West debacle, Christ is King debacle, to Christ is King debacle. That's the Jeffrey Epstein debacle. And Jeffrey Epstein, this whole debacle could never had any sort of a debacle ever in my life. I think that these people are not humans, that they're sentinels.
Did she go to the learning center?
That maybe look like humans. That
The learning center.
Anybody else feel the same way?
Oh, guys. All right. That was actually a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the mix up of the content a little bit, because I think it's good to laugh a little bit and have a little fun as we try to, you know, get through the week. On Sundays, we will go back to doing, you know, more of the serious business lessons. But every now and then, I think it's good for us to get together and have a good laugh. Anyways, guys, that is the video. If you enjoyed that, please give it a thumbs up. And if you learned something, I don't think we learned anything, okay? Never mind. I'll see you guys this Sunday. Take care.